Happy morning to all my dear students. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to see Unit 2 Poem. It is not a memory poem. The title of the poem is Courage, written by Edgar Albert Guest. So he is Edgar Albert Guest. Dear children, courage is the ability to do something that frightens one, or it's a bravery. And courage is the strength in the face of pain or grief. Now let us see about the author Edgar Albert Guest. Edgar Albert Guest was a British born American. He is a poet who became known as the people's poet. His poems often had an inspiration and optimistic view of everyday life. He has written many poems. One among the poem is Courage. He says that we need to have courage to face the difficulties in life. We need to take courage by ourselves because courage it is in our life. When we believe in ourselves, we can do the things better. So, believe in oneself. Now let us see little bit about courage. When we don't win the sports competitions or in any other field, we have to face it boldly with courage. We should be bold enough to accept the failures or defeats. We should always try to win the next game or competitions with confidence. We must be courageous in facing all our endeavors. This attitude will help us to face anything boldly. So, dear children, whatever comes in our life, we should not lose our confidence. We need to have courage to face them. It may be competitions or any other field, but there comes the failure, but we should not use it. Okay, dear children, look at the face it chart. Discuss in small groups and tell how to face those situations. Just before we enter into our class, we'll have a warm-up section. See, this picture shows the happiness, the sad and so on. Here we have happy and joyous girl. It is a happy situation. We always welcome these type of situation, but we should understand that the happy moments are not permanent. A serious and gloomy. It is a sad situation. We never like these situation. Though we do not like these situation, they help us to know the meaning of life. Painful and agonizing. It is a sore situation in our life. We face many physical problems. We have to bear the pain. Accepting physical pains help us to face our mental pains. Triumph and victorious. It is a happy situation. Everyone wants to win. Everyone like this situation, but we should be humble in this situation. Aggressive and violence. It is a happy hostile situation. We should not offend anyone. We should respect our fellow men. Now let us see the summary of this poem. Edgar Albert Guest elaborates that courage is temporary and not a mere flash of reflection. It is not like lightning that flashes and goes off. He explains that courage is long lasting and always remains. It leaves a deep and lasting impression. It always works in the background and keeps reflecting itself. It stays with a person in every moment, situation, and throughout life in one way or the other. It holds back the person, whether he calls for it or not. The courage always drops in and reflects itself when the person is facing a tough time. As it slips down, the situations go against the run. The poet says one who wants to win has to explore misfortune, failures, and mishaps. The poet emphasizes how one needs to take any sort of failures for positively. One should hold on the courage in the tough times. One has to face and suffer the dark during the negative days in life and has to bear the unfortunate losses. The true time to test one's courage is when one is facing a tough time. It is displayed in every victory and defeat. It is there in every challenge a man may meet. It is more than a daring act. It is the breath of life and faith of a story man. So, dear children, it is all about courage. It is the summary of this poem. Today we will see two paragraphs of this poem. Okay, now let us start with the poem Courage. Courage isn't a brilliant dash, a daring deed in a moment's flash. It isn't an instantaneous born of despair with a sudden spring. It isn't creature of flickered hope or the final tug at a slipping rope. But it's something deep in the soul of man that is working always to serve some plan. Courage isn't the last resort in the work of life or the game of sport. It isn't a thing that a man can call at some future time when he is apt to fall. If he hasn't it now, he will have it not when the strain is great and the pace is hot. For who would strive for a distant goal must always have courage within his soul. Now let us see the courage. Here we have 8 lines in this paragraph. Courage isn't a brilliant dash. Courage is a brilliant dash. We need to be brilliant to face with the failures, the disappointments. When we have courage, only we can face them. A daring deed in a moment's flash. It is a daring deed. It isn't an instantaneous thing. Instantaneous means happening or done immediately. Born of despair with a sudden spring. Despair means a state in which all hope is lost. With a sudden spring, it can come, disappointments can come, but we have to stand for it with a courage. It isn't a creature of flickered hope. Flickered means shown unsteadily. When the light flickers, no? So we should not go with that. or the final tug at a slipping rope. Tug means pull hard. No, when we pull rope, one both the side we can flicker, means slipper it. But isn't something deep in the soul of man? But is it something deep in the soul of man? Soul of man means the immaterial part of a person. It is deep within our soul, within our body. That is working always to serve some plan. That is working always to serve some plan. So, okay, the soul is working in our soul to some plan, to serve some plan. This is what courage. Courage can be in a different way. We need to have a brave heart to face the difficulties, the pains, the disappointments. We need to be brilliant enough to face them. Can be flicker, it can come as a dash and so on. A daring deed that has to be done. No, with the courage we have to face them. There can come disappointment, despair. No, sometimes you lose your hope. But when we believe in ourselves, we can face it. It can be like a despair or flicker. No, it is within our soul. It can go away. When we face them with courage, it can vanish it. Flicker means shown unsteadily. The final tug of war. No, we have this competition, no, tug of war. We pull from one side to other side. No, both the side the people will be there. We pull it. So it is a tug of war. We can pull it hard, and we have to work hard to win the competitions or with courage to win them. Courage is in the last resort. In the work of life or the game of sport. No, courage is in the last resort. Resort means a fallback or whatever may be, but it is not the last one. In the work of life, no, in our life or the game of sport, courage has to be within our souls, within ourselves. Work of life or in the game of sport, no, whatever may be. Oh, I cannot play, let me move on. We have to face them courageously. It isn't a thing that a man can call. No? At some future time when he is apt to fall. At some future time when he is apt to fall. Mentally quick. No? When we go to play a game, we have to prepare ourselves mentally and to play it. I win or lose doesn't matter. If he hasn't it now, he will have it not. Now, if I don't face it with the courage, I will not face after some time too, even later on too. When the strain is great and the pace is hot, pace means the rate of moving. When the strain is great and the pace is hot, for who would strive? For who would strive? Strive means make great effort for a distant goal. In order to reach the goal, I have to strive it. To make great effort, must always have courage within his soul. I need to have courage within my soul, within myself. I need to be confident enough about myself. If I am confident, I will win the race or I will reach that goal and I don't need to look back. I will not become a loser. So, only one thing, children, We need to be a courageous person. We need to believe in oneself, in ourselves. What the future may be, we no need to worry about. Yes, I want to reach the goal. I will do it. Never to be a come a negative thought in our mind, but be positive to win it. Have courage. That is